What's up, guys? My name is AR, and today I'm walking through what my essentials are for, or one of the essentials that you will need for a college, university. So right here with me, I have a Apple bag, and inside of the Apple bag, we have an iPad Air. This is the one with the 205, I mean, what am I saying, 512 gigabytes. And with it, I also got a Apple Pencil Pro. So this is the Apple Pencil Pro. It's set at $129. And this one is the 512 13-inch. Usually comes with 11-inch and a 13-inch. I didn't get the cellular, I just got the Wi-Fi because I don't really need cellular. And yeah, so this is what the back of the box looks like. And the front of the box, if I can get it open, before I take a look, is the space gray. So the space gray that you see is like a, so this is like silver, and then space gray is like a darker tint. So on the top here, there is a green tab where you gotta kind of open it, so you go through. Pretty satisfying, honestly. And now at the bottom, there's another one right here. Turn around, and basically get open. Nothing really in here. Okay, first impressions. Okay, there you see the Apple logo right in there. Let's put this aside. So, what's in the box? In the box is designed by Apple in California. It's probably your basic instructions and your Apple Air. What's in here? Apple Air, tips, manual. That's really it. So that's that. This is your hub cable, 20 watts. I don't know how much the actual one for the phone is, probably the same thing. So it feels pretty good, actually. It feels like it has like a matte finish to it. So it feels really good. It's not the like a shiny one. So I like that. Okay, USB-C to USB-C. I would. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay, that's good. Let's go aside. I don't think there's anything else underneath the box. I don't think so. Okay, the fun part. Opening it up. It's pretty big. It's pretty. That's the size of my hand. It's pretty large. Yeah. So let's see. that kind of messed up. It's a nice design to it, just like the phone. The phone has this outer lining that goes all the way around. Yeah, where's the I haven't had an iPad since I was a kid, so I don't know what is what really. Usually the iPad, like the camera's up here, but now it's on the side over here. Kind of like a, I don't know, like a laptop in a way. You can use this as a laptop. So there are these buttons on the side. Let me put the camera. These buttons on the side. So speakers up here. I think this turns it on. The volume up and down switch, if you guys can see. And then yeah, I don't know what this does. Something. So let's turn it on. Let's see. Oh, it's starting. Okay, so let's click on it. Okay, so I'm gonna go through setup and then I'll show you guys after. It starts at 80%. So I'll go and charge it and then see. So English, United States. So I'll go through. I'll check it out. It has a pretty nice screen. So yeah. I forgot to do one more thing. The pencil. So it's a new pencil. This is the Apple Pencil Pro. Basically, I got this because I'm going to university, and going to university, you need something for notes. And right now, Apple has a great deal going on for education back to school. Basically, you get a $100 gift card for every Mac or I believe MacBook or iPad you get. So for this one, I got a $100 gift card, which let me get this, the Pencil Pro. Yeah, so let's do an unboxing of this. It's basically, if you look up here, if you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, let's bring it close. It's for the iPad Pro M4 and the iPad Air M2. So M4 is the new iPad Pro that came out with the faster chip, and then the iPad Air M2. The reason why I went with a M2 over a M4 is because every year they're gonna come out with a bigger and better one. So why waste so much money on getting the best one when in a few months, in like September, they're gonna bring probably a new iPad. So that didn't really make sense to me, and for me to spend a bunch of money on something I'm going to use for a few years and I could upgrade, it doesn't really make sense. So this is how you unbox. Same thing with the iPad. You have a little string or sticker. So you open it up. There is a latch, and you just slide right out. The same thing, designed by Apple California. Instruction. That's your pencil. Pretty nice, neat pencil. Has a, if you touch right here, or was it? So if you could see, there's this line and goes over to the Apple Pencil Pro, and there's a haptic button. If you click on it, or wait, does it? No, but in the showroom they show it with the touch. So definitely gonna try that later on. But yeah, it's a nice technique. So I'm gonna go and set this up and show you guys. So something neat is that I put my phone next to this and it says waiting for iPhone, and basically you hold it up, I think like that, and does it do anything? yeah, it's connecting. So basically use your iPad. So basically lets you finish through your, basically whatever Apple ID you have on your phone goes straight to your iPad, and basically you put your passkey in. Your passcode is only to yourself. So it literally says, for me it says finish on new iPad. So I'm gonna go and finish this and then show you guys after. So I want to make a quick note. So while this is doing a new updates, I want to go through how much this cost me, how much to break down, and if you should get an iPad Air or not. So for me it was between the iPad Air or the iPad Pro. And I know the iPad Pro is like always the best one. You always want to get the best, right? But money, as like a college student, you're always gonna say, oh, okay, do I really want to spend extra dollars, or am I getting that, like whatever $400 or $500 extra there is between the iPads? Am I paying like it? Like, am I like, is it like a right thing to do or not? So for this particular iPad, I have the receipt with me. It's a 13-inch iPad Air Wi-Fi with 512 gigabytes. That was $1,099. Then you get the cycling fee of $4. Then the educational fee, which takes out $100. So yeah, so $100, you take that out, and then that $100 is for, it comes in a gift card. So gift card is this, and then you can use the gift card to buy anything else that you want. And then I chose to buy a iPad Pencil Pro, and that came out to, in total of this cost was $1,174.15 plus applicator. So it's really, I would say it's expensive. It's pretty expensive, but knowing what I could do for my major or for anyone else's major is that, like, the amount of notes, or if you ever need to use like YouTube for whatever it is, for like math problems or going through a guide, I think it's probably amazing, because I don't want to see through my phone. I'm not trying to get myself blind. So yeah, yeah, that's really my take. That's a beautiful, nice beautiful color if you look over. It's a space gray color. Yeah, space gray. These 3 dots. What are these dots? That's my question. Probably find out what it is, but yeah, yeah. So, or like that. It's a nice design. But yeah, so that's my take right now. I need to go and look through it, see how I like it. Yeah, I'm really excited to start taking notes on it, and if I need design, anything for my design class, just gotta see. I do have a laptop, so, and my laptop isn't touchscreen, so I did need something to write notes on, and I didn't want to take a notebook with me, because obviously however many classes you guys have, 2, 3, 4, 5 classes in the university, your bag gets heavy really quick. So, and alongside with books, so if I have any audio books, I can listen through audio through my headphones. Yeah, so yes, I'm just, see you guys later. So I set up the iPad, and as you can see here, the Pencil Pro, where is it? You can see it. Pencil Pro attaches right up here. There's a magnet right on top, so you don't have to lose. And when you're setting it up, you can turn on the locations of the iPad and this. So if you lose this, this will track it. So it says Find My, and then Like enable, I don't really care about it. So wherever you are, we can be in Detroit, we can be in Kansas, wherever it is. You could put it as one of your items, and then yeah, find it. So let's say one of the main reasons I got it is because in my class I'm going to need to take notes, and as you can see here, if you can see, you can go to this add, and then if you click this on the side twice, this pops up. So I can say red and say start scribbling and say hello, right? And one of the things that I was actually concerned was that I put my hand on the actual screen and as I type, so I can do this and put my hand, it doesn't move. See, if I put my finger, it's gonna type. If I do this, it's gonna it's not gonna smudge, or well, not gonna smudge, but it's not like a pen, so it's not gonna move. The actual interface isn't gonna move, so that's good. I think if you click this once, it brings those up, this little icon. If you click it a few times, if you click it, I think if you press and hold, it isn't gonna do anything, but if you kind of hover over it, it's like a redo, undo. Oh, look at that. If you open it up, that's cool. Let's say I want green, right? So yeah, so I think for me this is gonna be a great thing. And let's say you're in your bio class, you get a photo, you go photos. I don't have any photos right now, but I think you can drag and drop. Let's do stickers and go and do the smiley face. So I can bring it over, open it up. I think you click the button. It's like undo. I think you can. No. How do you do this? That's my bro messaging. That's good because it's connected to my phone. So yeah, so I'm gonna, yeah. Alright, so this can wrap up this vlog. Thanks for watching. That's one of my essentials I definitely would recommend to get. I know this is a bit pricey, but I would say if you are gonna get it, get the Air or like 11-inch. I got the 13-inch, as you guys can see. I'm gonna use it to see if I like it or not, but I will say that the discount of the Apple Education Store is going through September 30th. So if you guys have the budget or are looking into getting something, I would definitely recommend this. So I'll catch you guys on the next video where I'm gonna go and show you guys. Basically, I have a whole series coming up where I get my dorm essentials and like things you need, things I'm gonna put in my room, and then show you guys that. So I have a video coming up, so I'll catch you guys then. See you guys.